Hello everybody, it's me, ProgramCuber17, and today we're going to be doing part 3 on this Mega Minx, which is the last layer, and this is going to be the last part of my series for this cube. And now let's get to it. Okay, so our first step, like the 3x3, is making the opposite color cross. The opposite color is gray, so we want to make the gray cross, or technically in this cube it would be called the gray star. So we are going to be using an algorithm from the 3x3 cube. It is fine if you don't know how to do it. I'm going to be showing that still. So if you have this one middle piece put in properly, hold that on the left and do this algorithm. Turn the front row and then push the top row to the left, bring up the right row, push back the top row, bring down the right row, then turn the front face. And then most likely we're going to get this arrow. So we want to hold this arrow so the two middle pieces are going that way, and the one is going down here, and we want to do the algorithm one more time. And then what we want to get is this thing of 3 where 3 are connected. And if we hold the cube like this and we do the algorithm one more time, turn the front face, top row, up, right, bigger right, then bring the right row up, turn the top face back, bring down the right row and turn the front face, we will have this whole top part solved. The next step is orienting the middle pieces. So we want to get the middle pieces in the right spot every time. So now we want to see where this pink piece is, because we already got this green piece put in properly. Now we want to see where we want the pink piece right here for now, and now it's right here. So this is a very, very simple algorithm. So we bring up the right side, push the right side away, bring down the right side, push the top row again, bring up the right side, and turn the two rows back in once. And now we're going to see where the pink moved. So if we have the color that we want to become here, it's going to go there from this algorithm. So we want the pink right there, which is good. Then we bring it up, turn the top row, bring down the right row, turn it again, bring up the right row and turn them back twice. Now we will have the pink in. So just keep on doing this, and at some time you will get your next color right here that you want. And make sure you have the color that already got fit in after you solved the cross normally right in front of you when you do it. After you get 2, you hold it on the left of you, and then you do the algorithm one more time. You might have to do it once or twice though. So turn it, bring it down, turn it again, bring it up, and then turn it back twice. And it didn't match up, so we want to do it one more time. It did match up this time. So, and if we look, the rest of them are all lined up properly. Our next step is solving the gray side, and then our next step after that is going to be orienting the corners. So we want to flip the cube over so the gray is on the bottom. And we want to, before we flip it, we want to see which gray pieces are already on the top. 2 pieces are already on the top. That's good. So we want to hold it so we have a piece that isn't on the top and the bottom. And we want to do this easy algorithm. Up, left, down, and then right. And we just keep on doing it. Up, left, down, right. And that got input in right. So we want to turn the bottom row to the same spot that we did it before with an unsolved piece. And we do the algorithm again. Up, left, down, right. Up, left, down, right. Up, left, down, right. Up, left, down. And then make sure to finish off the right. Right, and we would see that this is all matched up properly. And now we have this whole we have all of the middle pieces lined up, and we have the whole gray side solved too. Our last and final step is orienting the corners. So so what we want to do is we want to take the piece out. So we want to look which pieces are right first. We have 2 pieces that are right already. We have 3 that aren't right. So pick a random piece that is right, and so bring it up, push it away, and bring it down so it's sticking out there. Then we want to see what other colors there are. There's this whitish color, and this is this yellowish white color, and a pink color. So we want to turn the bottom row so the 2 pieces right here are the yellowish white and pink. And then we want to bring it up, then push back and bring down. So it inserts in here. And that would insert out another piece, which is this piece right here. It has blue, light blue, and orange. So we turn the bottom row so light blue and orange comes here. So that came. So now we want to insert it. So we bring it up, and because the piece is over here, we push it that way, then we bring it down. And then our last piece that got kicked out was the light blue and the yellowish white. So, and this is the spot you want to put it in. So you bring it up, you insert it in, and you turn it in. And you would notice that you solved the Megaminx.